Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a pan. Add 250 grams sliced mushrooms and cook until golden. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for 30 seconds. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Pour in 200 milliliters single cream and stir until smooth. Mix in 40 grams grated Parmesan cheese until melted. Add 250 grams cooked pasta and toss until well coated. Finish with 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley. Serve warm and enjoy. Subscribe to Creative Recipes for easy home cooking, quick meal ideas, and delicious inspiration.